I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
These poppable stuffed mushrooms are loaded with the good stuff. Italian sausage, ricotta, parmesan, and herbs. I mean, is there really a better way of dressing up mushrooms than sausage and cheese? No way. So let's get started by making our sausage so that we can stuff our cute little mushrooms. Let's go to the stove. Hello. We have our sausage. I'm using a spicy chicken sausage that I really like from the grocery store. You can use pork sausage or whatever Italian sausage you like. Just take a knife, run the knife along the outside of the sausage to pop the meat out of the casing. And then I just like to take a potato masher and kind of just mash the meat so that you crumble it while it's cooking. See, look, this is what I mean. The potato masher makes life easy. So once your sausage is cooked, then you just want to scoop it out into a bowl. And you should use a slotted spoon. Oops, forgot about that. And then in the same pan, you're gonna throw in some garlic and some shallots and just sweat them for a couple minutes. You can see that the onion and garlic absorbed all the flavor from the sausage. Oh, the smell in here. Oh. Just scoop it out and put it right into your bowl with your sausage. Cheese time, the most important part. We're gonna add lots of delicious cheese into our mixture. This is Parmesan Reggiano. You can also just use regular Parmesan. And then I have some whole milk ricotta. And a lot of recipes call for like cottage cheese, or I've seen, not cottage cheese, cream cheese, which is even more disgusting to me. Ricotta is just a delicious, mild, creamy cheese that's going to bind everything together. Some pepper, a preheated oven, some salt, and then I have some fresh herbs. I have some thyme and then some parsley. I'm just gonna pop these right in too. Thyme and mushrooms is the best combination, trust me. Next up, Italian parsley, just for a pop of freshness. I'm pinching off some leaves and then I'm just gonna finely chop it. And then mix her up. I cleaned and dried some baby bella mushrooms and I took the stems out. The stems are usually here, you just pop them out. And so they have a nice deep hole, which is perfect for stuffing. And I'm gonna put them whole side up on a baking sheet. Then you take a mushroom and take your beautiful filling. And I like to just kind of fill it, overfill it, just like that, but pack it down so that it's nice and compact and it's not gonna fall apart when you kind of jiggle it. Keep going. Bake time, baby. 375 for 15 to 20 minutes until the filling's hot. I'm not waiting any longer, not even waiting to plate. I can't even speak, it's so good. Check these out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. I'm sprouting.